warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to podcast for the how the people in Indonesia to uh, celebrate of independence this country. So, this my speaker. His name is Hamad. Let me share.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Zakaria, and I am a speaker in the podcast now. And maybe Virus is be the host, and he will give me the question, and I will answer the question.
Okay. So, let's begin. Okay, Hamad, are you ready?
Yes, let's start.
The first question is social break. Listen, a normal day, we may be busy with our own life. Why do you think moments like the 17th of August can bring neighbors who relate, talk to each other closer together when decorating the gate of or participating in competition?
Okay, the question is why in 17 Agustus the network that is seldom to meet, and in 17 August they meet and work together.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe the reason is simple because usually with in set in this day in 17 August we are too busy to with our life, and we do it we do not care to the other with our neighbor. But in the 17th August of Independence Day, we forced to we have one goal that is celebrate the Independence Day. Like we do painting, and also we cleaning the way and the home, and also we make the banner and anything else, and we do the things together. This activity make us meet and work together. We talk face to face, and not just about and not just talk with the phone, but we talk with each other face to face. And the unlock feeling, like maybe we embrace it, or also maybe we scary, or we, yeah, anything is good because we are happy to help our neighborhood. We become friends because we are work together, and we become a team, and and work with happy feeling. Like
Okay.
that.
This is for your opinion.
Yes.
Okay, this is good opinion. And the second question, in competition such as climbing the greasy pole or tug of war, it is clear that individual strength alone is not enough, right?
Yes.
How do this competition teach us about the importance of collaboration between citizens?
Uh, in how do games
Yes.
teach us to help each other, and we uh, get the collaboration.
Yeah.
Games like what climbing or panjat pinang in our country, right?
Hmm.
Yes, teach us that we cannot stand by just by ourselves, without the other. So we need each other. You cannot reach to the top with you alone. but you need friend at the bottom, and yes, you need friend in the bottom to support you. If you are selfish, you will fail. It is the same for our country. To be good or successful country, we cannot work alone. We need to help each other. So maybe the work team is very important. These games remind us that the teamwork is more important than individual strength. So in our country, we need to uh, gather with the other, not we stand by alone, and do not we do not care to the people in the bottom. So the president is maybe must care to the warga, and we help each, and we make collaboration between the others like that.
Okay. So that game teach us for the teamwork,
Yes.
the importance of the teamwork
Yes.
is not individual, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. What is the meaning of the tradition of eating together at one long table? Okay. Such as nasi liwet or traktiran ya, is strengthening the sense of brotherhood, religion, of social status, or not?
Uh, no, when we eat with the live together,
Mm.
the status is not important there. Because the meaning that thing is the equality. When we eat together on the floor, in banana leaf, like daun pisang, and we eat like nasi liwet, and maybe yes arisan like that. We eat the rice,
Nasi
and
tumpeng ya?
yes nasi tumpeng like that. We eat together, and there is the same position. There is no boss, and there is no staff. We are same. We are all the same. We sit at the same level.
Okay.
Uh, the tradition bring us closer, sharing food maybe, and that make us feel like a big family. Yes, and we feel together and not not feel alone. And it is a simple moment, but it creates a strong bond between the next one, because it's remove the distance. Yes, the distance of the position between us.
Okay. So there is no status in
Yes,
it together.
yes.
So next question. Seeing so many people wearing traditional clothing from different regions during the ceremony, how can these simple things make us strong as one nation?
Okay. Wearing the traditional clothes,
Hmm.
uh, we must proud with this thing, because uh, wearing the traditional clothes, the different clothes between the other, so that Indonesia is a rich country, not just the same clothes.
Tradition.
Yes, the traditional clothes, but we are have a different
What?
yes,
Different
different clothes or different
budaya.
culture. Yes, in the some place with between some place and the some place is different. We see many colors and different style. It makes us proud, because even though we are different, but we stand together in one ceremony. And it also show what respect or tolerancy. When we see our friend wearing our their cultures clothes, we feel happy. It show that our difference are beautiful. It makes our unity is stronger. So the conclusion we must proud with this thing, and we do it malu of yes like that with this thing.
So the Indonesian is very rich of the
Yes,
culture. Yeah.
yes,
So the last question is aliens may differences of opinion or political cause. Why does the spirit of independence always success in calling down the atmosphere and untilling us again as Indonesians?
okay. Why does Independent Day unite us despite politics? Yes, because the Independent Day is bigger than the politics. Politics can make us argue, but in 17 August, let's remind us that here is our home Indonesia. We remember for our history from the before like Soekarno and Bung Hatta uh, that have spirit to make our country is the independence. And we also remember from our heroes like Jenderal Sudirman and also maybe Bung Tomo that make the other is yes they give the motivate to the others so we can gather and work together to fight with the enemy. And when we see the red and white flag, our flag, we realize we are one family. Our opinions may be different. Our opinion may be different in politics. Maybe someone choose Prabowo and someone choose Jokowi and also someone choose Anies. Uh, Maybe our opinions is different, but our country is the same country. The spirit heals our relationship and bring us back together to the yes helpful and meaningful country.
Okay. So there's the question is meaning like Indonesian have wonderful president and hero is powerful.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you, Hamad, for the doing this podcast. In this like in the third question, the question like saying so many people wearing traditional clothing, right?
yes.
Indonesian have uh, how many traditional clothes in Indonesia?
Traditional clothes in Indonesia is so many, and I cannot count by one because is there so many in Java there is many traditional clothes, and that's just in Java. And also we have other traditional clothes in maybe in Sumatra. There is many also because there is many many suku are different, so they have different clothes. And also we have Kalimantan with the different also between Java and Sumatra, and also we have Sulawesi, and the last we have Papua.
But and Bali, yeah.
Yes,
So for the what's the name? The third, the second question, like kan climbing garasi atau panjat pinang ya kan?
yes.
So what is different like tarik tambang?
What is different is Panjat Pinang is we
No, no.
work together.
I mean like panjat pinang. This can teach us for the ini what's the name? The importance of teamwork, right?
Yes.
So what is we switch or for what's name tarik tambang.
Maybe the main thing is the same, just teamwork. In Panjat Pinang, we are work together to reach the top, and in Tarik Tambang also the same thing because we are also work together. And in Tarik Tambang, the difference is we have the enemy, so we work together to untuk mengalahkan the enemy of enemy in the games because we are the team, the first team and the second team. So we bersaing to win.
Oh, okay. Okay, maybe this is last for this my and Hama podcast. Okay, sorry for our mistake and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.